Hi friends, happy Friday. This is your Lexia update. I'm going to move my face right here so we can see all the great work you guys have been doing. Wow, I see that Leo has completed 24 units. That's awesome. Keep up the good work. Sound celebration. I also want to celebrate Brandon, Julian, Misalia, Manuel, Ariana, Camilo, and Yami. You guys all met your goals, and that is really, really awesome. The goal is 15 units each week. Yami, I want to really shout you out because last week you had a lot of minutes, but not a lot of units. So that tells me that this week you asked for your brother's help, and I'm really, really proud of you. I'm also really proud of everybody else who met their goals. I mean, fantastic. Very impressive. Let's go up here to some friends who worked really hard on Lexia, and I know they're going to work hard again next week to meet their goals. Santiago, Navian, Kevin, Luis, Jide, Joel, Valeria, Justin, and Natalie. Awesome job, guys. Keep up the hard work, and I want to see you do even more units next time. Now, for these friends, I'm not going to name you that have 0 units. You need to be on Lexia working harder because that is not okay. We only have 2 more weeks of first grade, and we've got to make it count, guys. You can do Lexia over the summer, but I won't get to make these videos every week over the summer. So I want to see you guys working really hard. Leslie, I see that you're already on 2nd grade work. That's great, but I want you to keep working. What if you got all the way to 3rd grade? That would be awesome. Everybody else, keep it up. Now let's look at our certificates for friends who have passed their levels. Levels. Manuel, you completed level 9. Silent celebration for Manuel. Great work. I can tell how hard you're working, and I love that I get to see your great face at Lunch Bunch. Ooh, Leo, congratulations. You completed level 10. What a reading superstar. Anyway, keep up the great hard work and have an awesome weekend. I'll post this again on Monday so that everybody can see it. Bye.